Hi friends, in today's video we will unbox TAGG Verve Neo Smartwatch. I have purchased this TAGG Verve Neo Smartwatch from Amazon. It costed 1,599 rupees. This is a lightest smartwatch with the bigger display. This has real-time blood oxygen SpO2 and heart rate tracking. Inside, box packing looks very good. This is how it looks, a strap and a smartwatch. I have ordered beige color. This looks very nice. Let me take off the sticker. 1.69 inches HD display. It has to charge for the first use. Box has charging cable and manuals. It has 1 year warranty, 7 days replacement in Amazon. I have given link in description to buy. It's a magnetic charging cable, it's easy to use. Also easy to put the strap. Various straps models available in Amazon, easily changeable, same like Apple Watch. I have keep Apple Watch near. With this price, TAGG Verve Neo Smartwatch looks very elegant. Let's charge the smartwatch. It has to charge for the first use. Let's pair with smartphone. This has TAGG app available in both Android and iOS. It's easy to pair and straightforward. Verve Neo has more than 150 watch face library. Has more than 60 sports modes. Waterproof games and calculator. Good things is, this holds nearly 10 days battery life. Response time is pretty good. It has smart reminders, keeps track of your health, with daily progress reports, like walk, running, sleep, workout and activity map. Also, tracks female menstrual cycle. With this price, this Neo comes with real-time blood oxygen SpO2 and heart rate tracking. As you can see, measuring through both pulse oximeter and Verve Neo smartwatch, it gives accurate reading. It's definitely worth to buy, with no regret. Amazon purchase link given below in description. Thanks for watching. More videos are coming in. Join me by subscribing the channel. See you soon.